Hello everyone, it's Teddy. Today, we're going to create a drawing of Yujiro Hanma from Baki. Let's get started by focusing on the facial features. Begin by sketching a distinctive wave-like shape for his eyebrows. Next, craft two elegant, horizontal curved lines to define his left eye, and replicate this on the other side for his right eye. For the nose, create delicate U-shaped lines, and for his mouth, form a gently curved D shape. Add a grid within the mouth to portray his teeth. Now, let's proceed to the core of his face. Start by sketching four curved shapes on each side, radiating from the center to outline his face. Incorporate subtle wrinkles to add depth and character. Moving on to his hairstyle, depict an array of pointed, dynamic curves around his head to capture his signature hair. Transitioning to his body, let's start with the left side. Begin by shaping his well-defined right pectoral muscle, then seamlessly connect it to his biceps. Continue by detailing his forearm and intricately shaping his hand, ensuring to maintain the graceful S&C curves that define his muscular physique. Mirror this process on the right side, sculpting his left lat muscle and repeating the steps for symmetry. Once completed, shift your focus to his abdominal muscles, crafting them with precision and detail. Now, add a rectangular belt around his waist and proceed to his legs. For his legs, delineate an elegant S-shaped contour that extends into a straight line, capturing the dynamic posture. Replicate this process for both legs and enhance realism by adding gentle curved lines to mimic creased texture within his trousers. Finally, finish by detailing his feet. Draw a horizontal S-curve that extends into a straight line for each foot, maintaining consistency. To truly capture his essence, add texture and definition to his hair. Thank you for joining me in this drawing journey. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. I'll be back with more exciting tutorials soon. Until then, happy drawing!